Hi there, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. Here's something you can do with TAT that can improve any relationship. So if you have a relationship that feels like, oh, there's just the stuck energy here. There are things I really wanted to say for a long time, things I've wanted to communicate about how I think, how I feel, and I've just felt like that can't even do it. It's just stuck and yucky. So what you can do is do the TAT pose like this. Ring finger, middle finger in the middle. So these two fingers are just above the upper inner corner of each eye, light touch. And your other hand's at the base of your skull with your thumb just above your hairline back there. So that's the TAT pose. And all you do is while you're in the TAT pose, you just have a silent, unedited conversation with this person. You tell them what you want. You show them how you feel. You just let it rip. And you do it with the feeling that, hey, it's my divine self communicating with your divine self, just telling you how it has been for me to be in this human, frustrating relationship with you. So it's the feeling that you can express anything and they can take in and accept anything without getting caught up in it in any way on their side or your side. You're just simply sharing your experience. And that'll open things up. The other thing you can do is if you just simply want to improve a relationship and there are things you've been maybe shy to say, you can do the same thing. Hey, like in the pose, hey, just really want to tell you, you know what? I'd like to take our relationship to the next level because I really, really like you. And I've been kind of shy to tell you, but I really, really like you. I think you're fantastic. I love how life is with you. So you can do either of those kind of approaches, just more of what's real communicated while you're in the TAT pose. And I think you're going to see miraculous changes in that relationship, changes that happen without even trying. Thank you for listening and see you next time.